Hi guys, welcome back to T-Zone 2.0, and today I am unboxing the Dual Pack Master Kerbeus and Vice Leopard. Now let's just wreck the hell out of this thing. Wait. It's probably more easier. I have some scissors. Okay, I got this. Okay, snip. Okay, so we have Vice Leopard Red, which I really like this because it's kind of see-through but kind of like solid. It's got a little biting attack. And then it came with Drake. And then I have no clue what this is called, but it's a slingshot tip, so I can, if I want to, I can just move this and then pull it up and then twist it again, and then it would be slingshot mode. So it's pretty tight of a bay. That's how it looks overall. And then I have Master Kerbeus, which if you want, you can take out the tip and replace it with a different tip. And it came with Vanguard. And I also have no clue what this driver is called, but it's Hypersphere. This one is also pretty tight. But also, just for a quick second, here is Vice Leopard's code to scan him in the Beyblade Burst app. So pause the video. And then Master Kerbeus's code, so just do what you probably did with Vice Leopard. And overall, I'm pretty sure this would be a good set, but Master Kerbeus is a bounce type. Leopard's obviously the attack type. And, well, overall, I feel like you should get this pack because they're pretty good bays. Well, bye guys. Like and subscribe. And bye.